Hi family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we speak Igbo. We learn how to speak Igbo. We learn how to communicate in Igbo language. Everything about this channel is Igbo language. In this video, we are going to be learning your name, my name, the meaning in Igbo language. The meaning of your name in Igbo language, the meaning of my name in Igbo language. So guys, let's go. Fate. Fate. What does fate means? Fate means okukwe. Okukwe, that's fate. If your name is Fate, then you are okukwe. Fate means okukwe. That's fate. Okukwe. Okukwe. That's fate. Hope. Hope means olilanya. If your name is Hope, that means olilanya. 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 Olileanya. That's hope. Olilanya. Love. If your name is Love, that means ihunanya. Ihunanya. Love means ihunanya. Love. Ihunanya. 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 That's love. Favor. That's ihuoma. If your name is Favor, that's ihuoma. If your name is Favor, you are ihuoma. 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 That's favor. Grace. Grace. That's amara. If your name is Grace, that means amara. If your name is Grace, that means amara. Your name is Amara. That's Grace. Amara. 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 That's Grace. Mercy. That's Ebere. If your name is Mercy, that means Ebere. 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 That's mercy. Ebere. Mercy. Ebere. Blessing. Ngozi. Blessing. Blessing. If your name is Blessing, that means Ngozi. Blessing means Ngozi. 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 That's blessing. Peace. If your name is Peace, that means Udo. Udo. That's peace. Udo. Udo. That's peace. Peace means Udo. Peace is Udo. Udo. That's peace. Joy. 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 If your name is Joy, that means Ongo. Ongo. Joy means Ongo. Joy means Ongo. 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 That's joy. Ongo. That's joy. Comfort. 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 That's nkasi obi. Comfort means nkasi obi. Comfort means nkasi obi. Nkasi obi. Nkasi obi. That's comfort. So guys, we're going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.